Aprobado na ng Senado sa second reading ang Senate Bill number 1823. Sa period of amendments ngayong araw, inaprubahan na rin ng Senado na palawigin hanggang 2031 ang termino ng mga mahahalal sa first regular election sa BARMM. Simula sa second Monday ng May 2031, sabay nang idadaos ang eleksyon sa rehiyon, sa local at national elections at kada 3 taon pagkatapos nito. Ang News Now mula kay Naphtali Velarde.
At the outset, let me clarify that I am not objecting to the measure under consideration. Rather, this is a manifestation of concern, particularly on a potential constitutional infirmity. Inaffirm po ng Supreme Court yung constitutional mandate for synchronized national and local elections under the 1987 Constitution, recognizing synchronization as a core constitutional principle that shapes the structure of Filipino democratic governance, Mr. President. But under the measure, particularly or specifically Section 1, that seeks to amend Section 13, Article 16 of Republic Act Number 11054, otherwise known as the Organic Law for the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, inaamin po natin na ginagawa nating second Monday of September 2026 and every 3 years thereafter. So does it mean na maging permanent na po ito na every second Monday of September? Let them extend their term of office hanggang sa June 30 of 2028.
June 2031.
2031.
Yes, sir. I accept na kaagad. I accept that we synchronize it. And I believe the good gentleman from Cavite has the perfect amendment.
Matapos simulan ng Senado ang period of interpellation sa Senate Bill number 1823 sa ilalim ng Committee Report number 29 araw ng Lunes, kung saan ipinanukala na i-reset ang first regular election sa BARM sa ikalawang Lunes ng Setyembre ngayong 2026, aprobado na ng Senado sa second reading ang panukalang batas. Inaprubahan na rin sa isinagawang period of amendments ngayong araw na palawigin hanggang 2031 ang termino ng mga mahahalal sa first regular election sa BARMM. Simula sa second Monday ng May 2031, sabay nang idadaos ang eleksyon sa rehiyon sa local at national elections at kada 3 taon pagkatapos nito.
1823, it's in order.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, we are in the period of amendments. May I propose our amendment? On page 1, line 7, after the word 2026, delete the comma and phrase "and every 3 years thereafter" and replace it with the following paragraphs. The term of office of those elected during this election shall start at noon on the 30th day of October 2026 and shall end at noon of June 11, 2031. Beginning 2031, for the purpose of synchronizing the Bangsamoro elections with the national local elections, the regular elections for the Bangsamoro government shall be held on the second Monday of May 2031 and every 3 years thereafter. Period. The elected officials shall assume office at noon of the 30th day following the date of their elections. Just for the record, the date of the second Monday of September 2026 is already in the original paragraph. That was not touched, Mr. President. So we just added this line for clarification on the synchronization of their elections, Mr. President.
All right, subject to style.
Subject to style, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, amendments approved.
Naphtali Velarde, iMinds, Philippines.